Okay. Now, very carefully, Sudhi. Okay. When you are defining anything, not only ServiceNow business tools, but anything, UI action, anything. Okay. Conditions are very important. I'll tell you one simple thing to make it understand. Okay. So I'll say after business tool. Okay. After update. Okay. So active equal to false or something, right? Uh, Active equal to true or active equal to true, active equal to false. What is my intention is when the record is active false, then I need to send an email, something like this, or state equal to cancel, something like that. Okay. So let's make it state equal to cancel. You will easily catch it up. Okay. Active also fine, but let's make it state equal to cancel. What? Okay. I'm showing in one page, I'm giving in another example, but just relate to incident table. Okay. Status equal to cancelled, update. Okay. And then run the script. What is my intention is when this incident is getting cancelled, then that time you need to run the script. Okay. My requirement is when the incident state equal to cancelled, execute this. Right? If that is the case, I just put this one. Okay. If I put this particular definition, will is that good or is that not good? This is what our discussion. I says this is not good. It looks good, but it is not good. Why is because, okay, very carefully see. If I keep this one, what system will do is very carefully see, ma. This is the one of the very important point. Okay, very, 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 very important point. This gives us the maturity, right? So in system state equal to cancelled, how many there? Okay, I'll say active equal to false, ma, because I need more. Sorry. Okay, right. In system, I have 31 active false incidents. Do you all noticed it?
Yes.
Hmm. So if I say active equal to false, okay. So my intention is whenever the incident is getting active false, then run the script. Okay, I set update. Okay. Now if I put this one, now very carefully see. This one, if any update happens, generally anything, it's not only active false. Okay, but even if I change this one, okay, I change this value to something, that also an update, then this business tool will run because it's an update and the value is matched to false. Correct? So if I put this condition, this 31 records, whatever the update happen, the business tool will trigger. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So now to not is that needed to run the business tool? No. Okay. So what is the best one is active value changes to false. So now when the record is updated plus this value changed to false, then only the business tool will run. So out of 31, will it run for 31 always? It will only
No.
run when the active field changes. Don't even touch other times. So is there any difference between changes to or equal to here? Lot of difference, correct? If you put equal to, then unnecessarily we're running, even though you don't need it because you put active equal to false here. Then you put a update here. So that means it runs every time any update happens to any one of this record, run the business store. This is what you are indicating to system. This is what you are defining. Is there any difference? Yes,
No.
Yes.
right. So use proper conditions. Very, very, very important. Even in okay UA action, UA policy, wherever you have conditions, use the conditions properly. The conditions are important. That gives us the maturity. We need to visualize it. What happens if I put this condition? That you will only do when you have strong basics. Okay, unmature developer, mature developer. There are two people. Here where the things will come. Correct?